day everyone, I am Ramji Felix and I am the proud president of Liwanag Educational Cooperative. Welcome to Barangay 82 Morning Breeze, a community of hard work and great potential. I established this cooperative because I believe that potential can only be unlocked through accessible and quality education. We are here to light up the way for growth, starting right here in our neighborhood. Our official name is the Liwanag Educational Cooperative. We are educational cooperative located right here in Barangay 82, Morning Breeze, Caloocan City. Our founding date is October 26, 2023. Our commitment is simple: illuminating minds and empowering the community. Our path forward is clear. Our mission is to provide affordable, high-quality learning opportunities and skill development program, fostering the holistic growth of our members and the wider community. Our vision is to see Barangay 82 Morning Breeze transform into a highly knowledgeable, economically competitive, and sustainability developed community empowered by lifelong learning. To achieve this, we have set concrete objectives. Number 1, establish a fully functional community learning and resource center within 6 months, offering accessible study spaces and basic literacy tutoring for school-age children. Number 2, develop and sustain specialized livelihood and digital skills training tracks leading to certification that enhances job readiness and local entrepreneurship for adults out-of-school youth. What can the Liwanag Educational Cooperative offer you? Our core services include number 1, affordable academic, number 2, livelihood skills workshop, number 3, digital literacy programs, and last number 4, financial education seminars. Our target members and beneficiaries are the entire community, students who need academic support, unemployed adults seeking new skills, parents needing financial guidance, and anyone eager for personal enrichment. This cooperative will improve the quality of life by directly addressing unemployment and lack of access to educational resources. We are not just teaching, we are building a more skilled, financially stable, and self-reliant barangay. The time for action is now. Education is not a privilege. It is a necessity that we can achieve together. I invite every single resident of Barangay 82 Morning Breeze to join the Liwanag Educational Cooperative. Become a member, enroll in a program, or volunteer your skills. Let's pool our resources and knowledge to invest in our collective future. We are the light. We are the guide. Join us. Let's illuminate our future together.